Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover this comment. You can see it right here. Someone's Telegram account has got banned and she has not used it for 5 to 6 months. And when she tried to open it, it was not working. It was showing that account is banned. Okay, I'm going to tell you what to do. See, firstly, I'll tell you why do Telegram ban account or even they delete the accounts. You can see this. If you have clicked on deactivate your account, or if you have like, you can see privacy and setting. I'm just clicking there. Okay, from there you can see this delete my account if away for 1 month or 3 months or 6 months, whatever it is. Okay, sometimes people do not focus on this, and by default it comes with 6 months, or I think it comes with 6 months, because I did not have any Telegram account. When I read this comment, I created my account and I went into this delete my account part, and I could see 6 months is there, because but I don't want to keep this, so that's why I've clicked on 1 month, so that it will clearly swipe this account away. Okay, so your account is banned. If I talk about the reason, so it can be you have not used it for so far, or maybe someone else has misused your account. Okay, I'm telling you two ways. First is this solution is like raising a ticket, but I won't suggest you to go with this idea, or say this solution. So but still I'm just sharing both ways, both possible ways. Okay, so this is like, you need to describe your problem, you need to share your legal name, that is your account's name, or if you are using your, suppose if I'm creating my account on like Telegram with something like XYZ or ABC, but in my legal documents it's like Shraddha Pandey, so obviously I will be using my full legal name here, that is Shraddha Pandey, not something that I have already created or used on Telegram account. Then I need to put my mail ID, then my phone number also. So you need to write it like 91. Okay, 91, then you can see this 9926, whatever it is, you need to go put your number, then they'll just confirm it. See, you can see this right now, they have just confirmed it. I have not put my complete number. Once done, you can click on submit. So but this is the way. I won't suggest you to try. I'm just telling you the right way to get your account back. Okay, so what you need to do, I'll put this mail ID into the link. See, there are two mail ID. First is a recovery. I'll just put in the description box. Okay, first is recovery@telegram.org, and another one is support@telegram.org. You need to write a mail to this mail ID saying that, hi team, recently when I tried to log in after 5 to 6 months, I could see that my account has got banned. So I'm looking forward to get my account back. Please help me with this. You can just write the simple line, that's it. Okay, and yeah, then it's all about this. Once the team will get your say mail within 3 to 4 business, normally they used to reply within 2 days also, so you can just consider 24 hours to 72 hours. Okay, and even sometimes if there are a lot of mails that they are receiving from customers end, so they can also take up to 5 to 7 business days. Okay, so you can just wait for maybe 1 week. If they, whatever reply they are like giving it to you, so you can just, based on it, you can just keep on talking with the proper solution. They'll guide you. You can just follow the same. I hope this will be helpful for you. And yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to comment any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too for sure. And yeah, please consider subscribing, and yeah, just take care. Bye bye. Thank you.